Thank you for tuning to my channel, and I'm going to show you how to make turkey soup. Okay, so right here I added some more oil to the pot, so that's where the 2 teaspoons of oil came from. Okay, right here I turn my pressure cooker on, put it on saute so it's getting hot while the oil's in there. And right here is where I'm about to season my ground turkey. And the season I'm going to use is onion powder, adobo, seasonal, garlic pepper, garlic powder, lemon pepper, pink salt, and this is where I'm sauteing the bell peppers, garlic, and dried onion. And while the turkey's cooking, I'm going to add some more onion powder, garlic pepper, and garlic powder. And right here, I'm going to be adding my taco seasoning. Sorry about the steam. As I'm mixing up the taco seasoning, I'm going to add the can of tomato paste, stir that together, let that cook good and hot. Now, as you can see, I'm going to add 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 can of sweet corn that I drained, can of kidney beans that I drained, put a can of diced tomatoes in there, just dump it in the pot with the juice. And then there's black beans that I also drained and put in the pot. And right here, as you can see, I did 1 cup of rice. And then I'm gonna be adding in the chicken stock. And I did about 3.5 cups. You can do the 4 cups, that's fine. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna stir the chicken broth in good. Once I stir in the chicken stock, I'm just gonna close it up. Gonna put it on soup, and then I'm gonna let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. And here's the finished product after done cooked. The rice is done, everything is done. And then you can just put it in a bowl, add some cheese, sour cream, or whatever you like with your taco soup in it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.